Ever wondered how to upgrade your next camping trip without draining your wallet? Well, Amazon Prime Day is here with some insane discounts on must-have camping essentials. From portable power stations to survival gear, we've lined up the best deals you don't want to miss. Stick around, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to Trek Gear so you never miss the latest outdoor finds. Imagine sitting by the campfire, your phone at 5%, and no outlet in sight. That's where the Takki portable power station saves the day. Compact, yet powerful, it can charge phones, laptops, and even power small camping gadgets. Built-in flashlight? Yep, it's got that too perfect for late-night setup or emergencies. And with a massive 36% discount, this little powerhouse drops from $99 to just $57. It's the kind of deal that makes camping easier and stress-free. Every camper needs a reliable blade, and the cold steel Spartan is nothing short of a beast. Inspired by the legendary OCOOPA sword, it's built tough for cutting, slicing, and handling just about anything outdoors throws at you. Whether you're prepping firewood or just want the confidence of carrying a rugged survival knife, this one delivers. Normally priced at $130, Prime Day slashes it down to only $61. That's nearly half off for a knife that could last you a lifetime. Picture this, you're tucked inside your tent on a hot summer night, wishing for a cool breeze. The AVV high-speed portable fan makes it happen. With a 20,000 milliampere hour rechargeable battery, it's not just a fan, it's an all-night lifesaver. Lightweight and packable, it also doubles as a backup power bank. And the kicker? It's down from $42 to just $30. Small price for big comfort when the heat kicks in. Cooking outdoors can be tricky when the wind won't cooperate. That's why the Odoland windproof camping stove is a game changer. Compact, foldable, and designed to block gusts, it keeps your flame steady so dinner's ready no matter the conditions. Whether it's boiling water for coffee or frying up a quick meal, this stove has your back. Normally $25, Prime Day drops it to just $19. Lightweight, efficient, and easy on your pack space, this is a must for every camp kitchen. Cold hands? Not anymore. The OCOOPA AI magnetic hand warmers snap together like magic, offering cozy warmth in seconds. Perfect for chilly mornings by the tent or late-night stargazing, these little gadgets make camping in the cold way more enjoyable. Plus, they recharge fast so you're never left freezing. With a Prime Day deal of just $16 down from $26, these are one of those tiny upgrades that make a massive difference outdoors. If your furry friend tags along on adventures, the XiaZ dog tie-out cable keeps them safe and happy. Strong enough to hold dogs up to 200 pounds, it's portable and easy to set up between trees. That means your pup gets freedom to roam without wandering off into the woods. At $16, marked down from $20, this little addition brings peace of mind and makes camping with pets way easier. Every camper knows the value of a good multi-tool, and the MOSSY OAK Multitool packs everything you need into one rugged design. From pliers to screwdrivers to a sharp blade, it's like carrying a whole toolbox in your pocket. Whether it's fixing gear, prepping food, or cutting rope, this multi-tool handles it all. Normally $35, Prime Day brings it down to $25. For such a versatile piece of kit, that's a steal. Ever wish you had all the essentials in one compact case? The Astnes Survival Kit delivers exactly that. Packed with tools like a fire starter, flashlight, and emergency whistle, it's the ultimate backup plan for camping trips. Imagine getting caught in the dark or needing to start a fire in the rain, you'll be glad this kit is by your side. And at just $16 down from $24, it's the perfect budget-friendly safety net. When the sun sets, the Kizen solar camping lantern lights the way. It charges with the sun, folds down flat for easy packing, and doubles as a phone charger when you need extra juice. Picture hanging this inside your tent or carrying it on a night hike, lightweight, bright, and eco-friendly. Usually $26, Prime Day cuts it to $19. A smart, sustainable pick for anyone who camps off the grid. Ever run out of space for last-minute gear? The ZOMAKE lightweight packable backpack has you covered. It folds down to pocket size when not in use, then expands into a surprisingly roomy day pack for hikes or short trips. Water resistant and durable, it's ideal for stashing snacks, jackets, or that extra camping gadget you couldn't leave behind. Normally $24, it's down to $19 this Prime Day, a simple, practical upgrade for every camper. RoadTrip's just got comfier. The KMZ SUV Air Mattress transforms the back of your car into a plush sleeping space. Thick, double-sided, and easy to inflate, it's built for long drives, camping, or even unexpected overnight stops. Imagine pulling into a scenic overlook and sleeping right in your vehicle with full comfort. Originally $90, it's marked down to $55. For campers who need serious backup power, the Grecell Portable Power Station is a must. Compact yet powerful, it charges phones, laptops, and even small appliances while you're off-grid. Built with safety in mind and equipped with multiple outlets, it keeps your gear running smoothly. On Prime Day, it drops from $110 to just $80. A solid knife is a camper's best friend, and the Smith & Wesson SW3B doesn't disappoint. With a sturdy stainless steel blade and a tactical design, it's perfect for cutting rope, prepping food, or handling survival tasks. Imagine needing a reliable blade during a hike or while setting up camp. This one has the grit to get it done. Normally $176, Prime Day slashes it down to just $76. That's $100 saved on a knife built to last. Cooking for the whole crew? The OGERY 2 burner foldable camping stove makes it easy. With adjustable burners and a built-in griddle, you can whip up anything from bacon and eggs to burgers under the stars. Plus, it folds down for easy transport. Think tailgates, camping trips, or backyard cookouts. This stove is your portable kitchen. At $66, marked down from $99, it's a deal worth heating up. Nothing beats a cold drink on a hot day, and the Scothen backpack cooler keeps everything icy and fresh. Waterproof, insulated, and comfortable to carry, it's perfect for hikes, beach trips, or hauling drinks around camp. Imagine reaching for a chilled soda after setting up your tent. It's little luxuries like this that make camping even better. Normally $33, it's only $27 this Prime Day. When you just need the basics for a quick hike, the SKYSPER Small Daypack is the perfect grab-and-go option. Lightweight, packable, and surprisingly roomy for its size, it's built for those short treks where carrying a bulky backpack just doesn't make sense. Toss in a water bottle, snacks, and a jacket, and you're good to go. Normally $31, Prime Day drops it to $20. Hot tent nights can be brutal, but the Xasla Portable fan with light brings relief. With a powerful 10,000 mAh battery, it keeps air flowing for hours while also doubling as a bright lamp. Imagine cooling off while reading a book inside your tent. The dual function makes it a camping essential. At $38, down from $43, say goodbye to huffing and puffing into inflatable mattresses. The ETENWOLF AIR 3 makes setup fast and painless. Ultra compact, yet powerful. This little pump inflates mattresses, rafts, and pillows in seconds. Toss it in your pack, and you'll never dread setting up camp again. Normally $30, Prime Day takes it down to just $18. If you want serious portable power, the ECOFLOW River 2 is the star of the show. With fast charging technology and multiple ports, it can keep your fridge, phones, and lights running for hours off-grid. Perfect for long camping trips, tailgates, or even emergency backup at home. Usually $449, Prime Day slashes it to $283. Camp cooking doesn't get better than this. The Coleman RoadTrip 285 brings a full-size grill to the outdoors with adjustable burners, push-button ignition, and even a built-in thermometer. Whether it's burgers, steaks, or veggies, this grill turns camping into a feast. Normally $425, Prime Day knocks it down to $275. And that's our list of 20 Amazon Prime Day camping essentials you can grab right now. These deals make outdoor adventures easier, safer, and way more fun. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment on which deal you're snagging, and subscribe to Trek Gear for more survival and camping gear finds. Until next time, stay prepared, stay adventurous, and happy camping!